Come on, Mom.
Right, so Publix has a good amount of water left. This is purified water, and then they have Zephyr Hills, which it says buy two, get one free. I only need one. The hurricane will be over before I'll be able to eat these. Got me some good grapes. Hopefully. Turned out was over 90. The lighter they are, the sweeter they should be. So that one looks good. Okay, let's get it. She was aggravated and wasn't gonna turn no more over to me. The grocery store seems to be not too crowded for, you know, the impending hurricane. Okay. Well, I gotta go down this road. So which kind do you eat? Butter bread or honey wheat? Man, what kind of sandwich you finna make with that? So what kind? Honey wheat or a butter? Okay, yeah. A nice sandwich. So we gotta get smoked. What kind you got? Yeah, I don't like no sweet meats. Get some eggs. You can always eat a nice boiled egg. But just make sure they not cracked or nothing. They're good to go. Traffic is picking up. I've been in here for about, how long we been in here?
30 minutes.
Oh, okay, about 30 minutes, but still no waits. Public's good about that, baby. No wait in the line. All right, so we got everything we need, and we're out. Before the store could get any more crowded. Huh? You don't know where we parked? You don't know where we parked? It sure is a nice breeze out here. But one good thing about the hurricane, one quick turn and that bitch been demolished Miami. Something about Miami. It draws all of what's names to them.
I don't think so, though.
None of this stuff is on the immediate list for hurricane preparedness. But I think it's a little clearance, little aisle right here. I know I found these. And that is $4? Yeah. Put your trip in, get the dog some snacks.
That's what I'm tell her charge us for.
Oh, gee, thanks. Hey. You can't even tell that it's supposed to be a hurricane on the horizon. Look how sunny and nice it is of a day. Can't you hear the birds chirping? Such a nice day. Okay, so being that we're going to be in the house for a couple of days, no school for hurricane and all of that, I did go ahead and pick up, while at the Dollar Tree getting hurricane supplies, I picked up a couple of activities for her and I to do. We just have to, of course, fix all of the eyes, the mouth, and the hat onto the pumpkin. And then we have one that's the scarecrow, and that's what that looks like. And then we have a couple of owls I picked up. We already have some paint. So yeah, that should make for a good fun time for a hurricane activity for a hurricane. Hurricane activity for a hurricane.